Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone is doing good. Today I'm going to show you how I made this pumpkin floral arrangement. You can make it for fall or Halloween. I picked up the pumpkin at Walmart for $5.98. Right now Walmart has a lot of pretty pumpkins to choose from in different colors. You're going to need some foam from Dollar Tree, your hot glue gun and glue sticks. You're going to need some fun glitter picks. You're going to need some mini Shatterproof Halloween ornaments from Dollar Tree. And I didn't use any eyeballs or the purple glitter pumpkins or the large Shatterproof ornaments, but you will need some ribbon to make a bow, and you're going to need some floral picks. These floral picks right here all came from Walmart and were less than $1. You will need a total of 7 floral picks for this pumpkin floral arrangement. Some of my picks did come from Dollar Tree, and you'll see those in just a little bit. I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. First, you're going to take and put quite a bit of hot glue on top of your pumpkin, and then you're going to take your foam, and I just cut the center out of my foam so that it could go over my stem. So I just placed it through the stem and placed it on top of the pumpkin, let it dry. To add some height, I just took another piece of foam, shaped it, and placed it on top of the other piece of foam. Then you'll want to let it all sit and have time to dry before you work on it. Next, I took some of the mini Halloween Shatterproof ornaments from Dollar Tree. It will only take one package if you're using this size pumpkin, and I just went around the edge and I just used some hot glue on top of the little ornament and then placed it kind of under the edge of the foam and kind of where the pumpkin has sections. I did a pattern around the entire pumpkin with those cute little ornaments. Just kind of hold it for a little while until it has time to dry before you let go. And then also, to cover up my foam, I did add at the end, I added a roll or a row of the black roses from Dollar Tree to cover up any remaining foam that was showing. So I just went around the entire edge, and I think this is a nice touch. Now you can make your centerpiece where it's pretty from all sides, but I just made mine kind of one-sided. Next, I decided to tie a bow, so let out a tail. This is 1.5-inch width ribbon with wire from Sam's Club. So let out a tail, make a loop, pinch it tightly in your left hand, go to the other side, try to make a loop the same size as your first loop, keep it pinched tightly in your hand, go back to the other side, make another loop the same size as your first loop, then go back to the other side, make one more loop, we're just doing a double bow, then let out a tail. Next, you will want to take a piece of floral wire and wrap it nice and tight around the center of your bow, and then you're going to want to twist your wire all the way down and cut it a little bit shorter because we're going to take the wire and push it into the foam to attach our bow. So you'll just add some hot glue to the end of the wire before you push it into the foam, and that way your bow will stay in place. I don't have a pick machine, so that's the easiest way for me to add a bow. Don't forget to dovetail the ends of your bow. I'm just folding my ribbon in half with the edges to the left side, going to the folded side, cutting away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends, and it just kind of dresses up your bow. Then don't forget to fluff the loops on your bow, and you'll want to use ribbon with wire because the loops will stand up. I have my wires twisted together, cut them shorter. Now I'm adding some hot glue on the end of the wires, and I'm just going to take them and push them into the white foam. Just push the wires into the foam, then let it dry, and then I did add a dot more around it, around the wires of hot glue. Then just let it dry, and then now we're ready to start doing the fun part. Start adding the floral picks. The orange whimsical glitter picks, I ordered them online from Craft Outlet, and I ordered 2 of them. We did have to trim the pick a little bit shorter, so you'll probably have to trim all of your picks shorter than they came from the store. So I'm adding it in the center, so you'll want to start with some height. Then next I'm taking these picks for 97 cents from Walmart, and I'm going to add one to the center, and I believe I also cut that one a little bit shorter too. Next, I'm taking another Halloween pick from Walmart, and I'm just taking the pick and I'm cutting some shorter pieces off. Now I'm going to add one piece on the left and one on the right. Usually what I add on the left, I add on the right, or what I do in the back, I do in the front. So just kind of remember that when you're making a floral arrangement. I added this Walmart Halloween pick just behind the bow, but I really think that with it having a black and silver pumpkin that it kind of just disappeared. So I'm thinking about changing out the pumpkin for maybe a purple pumpkin, like a glitter purple pumpkin, or maybe a glitter orange pumpkin. So you'll have to let me know your thoughts on that, if I need to change out that pumpkin or not. The arrangement was just not full enough, and so I pulled some out that I had bought at Dollar Tree. So I had picked up some black roses and some purple roses at Dollar Tree, plus I had the extra mum pick from Walmart, so I added those 4 picks into the arrangement along with the 2 like glitter curly picks from Craft Outlet. So let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 picks if I counted right. So I added the second curly glitter pick to the back, so just push it into the foam, and then you'll want to go back and shape those little whimsical curly picks. I can't think what they're called right now. Shape them, also fluff and shape your flowers too, kind of spread them out. Okay guys, so my foam was still showing, so what I did, since this is a Halloween arrangement, is I just pulled off the roses off of the stem, then I just hot glued them onto the bottom edge of the white foam. Just hold it for a little while and let it have time to dry, and then move on to the next one. So I did it all the way around the entire circle, just like I did the mini Shatterproof Halloween ornaments. If you are not making this for Halloween, if you're making it for fall, then you might want to go with some moss or maybe some vase filler to cover up any foam that is showing. And next I'm just taking the purple roses from Dollar Tree, cutting the pick into smaller pieces and adding the 3 roses. Now I wish I had some more purple flowers for this arrangement, but this is all that I had bought, and so I just rolled with it. So I hope you like it. After you remove the roses on the Dollar Tree picks, the black roses and the purple roses, don't throw away the picks because they have some cute spider webs and spiders, so add them into your arrangement too. So just remember to step back away from your arrangement, kind of fluff your flowers, shape your flowers, make sure that your bow, the loops are fluffed and your tails are hanging in the right direction. And then also I'm still thinking about changing out that pumpkin that's black and silver for a glitter purple one. What do you think? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Thank you.